Lady Knights na si Julian Castro or si Jules. Paano nyo pinaghandaan itong season 99, especially for you as the team captain?
Medyo nag-adjust kami ng short period of time, pero feeling ko familiar naman na yung team. Then sumali din kami sa mga pre-season league.
Naghanda po kami sa tatlong aspeto. Physically, syempre sa training, sa court, meron kaming strengthening and conditioning drills. Mentally, lately, ina-advisean kami ni Coach O na i-practice yung pag-meditate namin para during sa court, like mga gipitan sa games, alam namin kung anong iisipin namin at saka uunahin namin. Spiritually kasi sa team po namin, may po kami prayer time.
Kikilalanin natin ang newest head coach of the Letran Lady Knights. Coach O or si Coach Oliver Almadro?
Hello, NCAA, and it's been a while.
It's been a while. It's interesting how you said it's been a while, Coach, because baka maraming hindi nakakaalam na ikaw ay true-blooded Letranista.
Yes. I graduated here way matagal na. But I'm really proud to be back here in Letran. For us, this is our 0 year. Zero year namin ito. So, hopefully with the support of the Letran community, the alumni, and our sponsor, I guess we're on the right track.
Yung training na pinapagawa niya sa amin, which is yung sistema na hindi pa namin masyado na-gets nung una, yun yung pinapasok niya sa amin kasi hindi kami sanay na, hindi pa kami ganon ka ayos ba kung ano yung pinapadap ng system sa amin.
The challenge ko po is makisabay po sa sistema dito kasi iba po kasi yung sa high school tsaka iba po yung level sa college.
Sabi ko nga sa kanila, if they want to change their story, they have to change their culture. Represent the school properly and represent their family. So it's the name in front and then the name at the back. So if they will be thinking that way, I guess yung kultura nila is all for the glory of Letran. And syempre may ibalik sa Letran what Letran gives to them.
Sino ang team to beat nyo? Or for you, this season, sino ang nilook forward mong makalaban, maka face-to-face sa court?
Ano po talaga, yung Mapua po kasi hindi po talaga makalimutan yun sa last season.
Sabi po nila Mapua daw po kasi challenging po kasi yung laro nila last season. So, feel ko po Mapua po.
Sana supportan niyo po kami sa laro namin at thank you po sa lahat po.
Umpisahan ko sa pagiging Arriba Letranista. Yun muna. What I can say to those who supports us, the Letran community, with the sponsors, the Letran staff, students, please support us. This time, we will make sure that we will be working hard, passionately, and intensely for the greater glory of Letran. And alam naman natin na we all have this resiliency value in us. So sabi nga natin, kahit saan man tayo nagaling, there's no way. Kailangan pataas lang. So hard work and prayers, yun ang kailangan namin. And pray for us also and please support the Letran Lady Knights.